Hi friends, welcome to my channel RichikInstaTech TV. Firstly, once again, if you are watching this video from YouTube, the channel name is RichikInstaTech TV, and if you are watching from IGTV, then obviously channel name is RichikInstaTech. So once again, IGTV tutorial. Today we will understand what are tabs. So now this IGTV, let's click on this one and loading and came. You can see many are there: for you, following, popular, continue watching. So what are they for? First coming for you. Normally these are some videos related what I normally search or anything else. Popular also video can come, and following. Following gives you the latest videos uploaded by the followers, obviously the people who you are following, not followers. So next one is popular. Popular tab, if you know that one. In YouTube there is second tab is trending, means all of trending videos are there. Popular tab is also like that, trending videos are there. So you can see very small videos are there though, but popular videos are there. See, so little time. Next coming continue watching. Let's check out. This gives you that videos that which you have already seen, but after some time you have stopped it and some interaction came, so they provide you this one. It is like history tab. And so lastly, click the follow icon in RichikInstaTech. Follow me for the latest updates, latest videos. I have just posted this logo, so you can check it out, and you can get popular profiles from 5 following this. Following us also, one hashtag also I am following. This all you can search out, and one I am also following hashtag, so you can check out them from here itself. So that's all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.